97% of people missed these 7 AI tools that paid over $1,000 yesterday. In 5 minutes, you'll see how each one generates daily income with zero experience needed. But first, here's the mistake that keeps most people broke with AI side hustles. They chase complicated systems instead of these simple tools. Tool number 1 just paid one of my friend $847 in 24 hours. Here's exactly how you can do the same. Which tool excites you most? Comment below and hit subscribe for more money-making AI tools. Lovable.ai builds complete apps. No coding needed. One of my friend launched a budget tracker app, posted it on app stores, and made £847 in one day from downloads and ads. Her process? Sign up free, choose a template, customize in minutes, publish, and earn. Tool number 2 is Relevance AI automates business workflows. One of my neighbor built automated email sequences for local businesses, charges $500 per setup, and gets 3 clients monthly. That's $1,500 recurring income. No tech skills required. But tool number 3 is even better. Tool number 3 is Wondercraft, which creates AI audio content. People makes meditation podcasts and audiobooks, sells them on Audible and Spotify, and earns £2,000 monthly. Passive income, zero recording gear, just type your script, and AI does the rest. For more powerful tools to go, let's speedrun. Tool number 4, Cursor AI writes code automatically, perfect for freelance programming. Average project pays £300 to £800. Even beginners are earning $4,000 monthly. AI does the coding, you manage the clients. 5th one is GenSpark AI automates social media management. Manage 10 client accounts, charge £200 monthly each. That's £2,000 recurring revenue. AI creates posts, schedules content, and even engages with followers. Tool number 6 is controversial, but making people serious money. Some call it cheating. It is Notebook.LM researches any topic instantly. Create detailed reports for businesses. Charge $100 to $500 per report, and finish research in minutes instead of hours. AI reads thousands of sources and creates pro summaries. 7th is Canva Magic Studio creates professional designs automatically. Sell logo packages, social media templates, business cards. Average designer makes $3,000 monthly. AI generates unlimited design variations from simple prompts. 7 tools revealed. Which one matches your skills? Drop your biggest money goal in the comments below. Let's recap the earning potential. Lovable AI, $800 daily. Relevance AI, $1,500 monthly. Wondercraft, $2,000 monthly. Cursor AI, $4,000 monthly. GenSpark, $2,000 monthly. Notebook.LM, $2,000 monthly. Canva Magic, $3,000 monthly. These tools are trending now, August 2025. Early adopters always make the most money. People started with Lovable AI last week and already earned over $2,000. Here's your action plan. Pick one tool that matches your interests. Sign up today. Follow the exact strategies I showed. Start earning within 7 days. Most people overthink this. Just pick one and start. What's your 2025 money goal? 1,000 monthly? 5,000? 10,000? Comment below and I'll help you choose the best tool. Bonus tip. Combine 2 tools for maximum income. Use Notebook.LM for research, then Wondercraft for audio content. Double your earning potential. Links to all 7 tools are in the description. Start with tool number 1 today. Comment your results after 1 week. Subscribe for more AI money-making strategies. Your financial freedom starts with 1 click.